Welcome to the Scienscope booth here at SMT Connect. I'm delighted to be joined by Adrian Radu. Nice to see you again, Adrian.
Hey. It's really a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. Excellent. So we're standing here in front of a new X-ray system. In fact, I think this is the first time you've shown it in Europe, the Xspection 3000. Tell us a little bit about the Xspection 3000. What are the key features?
Perfect. So the Xspection 3000, it is released right now in Europe. It is our flagship, and it is having a lot of nice items. Like you can have touchscreen, and you can see here on the image, just drag and drop.
Okay.
Or just double click, and it will automatically make it in the middle. You have also the navigation image, and just click wherever you want to go.
Okay.
And of course, after each automatic inspection, it will generate a really nice report. And you have here the full data with the navigation image, with the highlights where you did the inspection. And for each individual point, you have full data and also the really nice X-ray image.
X-ray image too. Okay. And does it put it into a tabular form as well for looking at SPC and stuff like this?
So we have implemented the SPC function where you have all the data there, and you can analyze it. And also we have analyzing tools.
Okay, okay, excellent. So let's have a look at the machine itself. I mean, it's a 2.5T X-ray system using a closed tube, is that correct?
It's correct, and this one has a really nice, very, very big inspection area. You can put up to 650 millimeters by 500.
Wow.
And if you put the option of automatic rotating table, that's 360 degrees, that is eliminating the shadowings for, let's say, the THD components, then you still get a very, very big inspection area of 500.
Right, okay. So that's really useful. So you can really do these big 5G boards, the big heavy boards that you're getting coming in for, 5G. What about on oblique angles? Does it have rotation on the head?
You have all the options. You have X, Y, of course, Z, and on the flat pan and on the tube, the rotating angle on the board, but also up to 70 degrees of tilting.
Okay.
So you can really see all the, let's say, interest points.
Right, right, excellent. Well, it certainly looks like a very useful system, and it's very fast, which is good, and the image quality is exceptionally clear. So congratulations on that, Adrian, and thank you for showing it to us. Any other features?
Yeah, we have a lot of surprises, and also this year we'll release also a new model on the entry level. That's the 1860, and that has similar body shape. And we eliminated the door with the glass, and we put a really big touchscreen inside. So it's
a smaller footprint.
Smaller footprint, and that is really useful for just SMT boards and from time to time to THD. And we have a lot of requests from clients to inspect only PCBs, only components to check for counterfeits.
Right, right.
So that would be, entry level and a lot of component checking.
Component checking, excellent. Okay, so we'll look forward to that. So I'm assuming we're going to see some of these new things at Productronica later in the year.
During Productronica, we have this and the new model, and a big surprise on the new incoming material station, the IMS 200, full inline system. That will be showcased with all of the features, with automatic loading, and we'll see with the AGV loading and so on. So
all right, so operator free.
Operator free.
Ah, okay. Well, we'll look forward to that. So thank you very much for showing us the Xspection 3000, and we'll see you in Munich in November.
A couple of months.
Okay.
Perfect, Trevor. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.